Today is Friday, June 26, 2020. We're at 6058 Belton. We're going to be trying for half a day to see if we can start cutting sections of the liner out and getting it to go downstream to the city main. We've been working on this project for a while. We do have a centering guide on the camera. We're going currently upstream. You can see this is where the liner did open full. You're going to see as we come up, you can see this is an area here where we started grinding because the liner was partially collapsed. The farther upstream we go, which puts us under a deck and a family room addition before we hit the main cleanout, you'll see that the liner has collapsed, especially farther upstream to where it's a partial block in the pipe. We're going to attempt to see if we can actually cut this liner into pieces and see if we can get it downstream. As you can see, we cut about half of the liner out. You can also see there's a large belly in the line that holds water. This is possibly part of the reason why there was an issue with the liner. This liner was installed by another company. This work was not done by us. We've just been trying to use different tools on the P-coat machine to try and grind the liner out. As you can see, as you can look ahead, you can see this is the area that we still have where the liner is still somewhat collapsed. As you can see, we do have the liner attached at the top, partially on the bottom. We just can't tell due to the amount of water that the line holds. The customer has not had a backup as of yet. As you can see, we do have a hole in the clay. This is probably partially the reason for the liner being installed. We are going to go ahead. This is our pre-camera work for today. We are going to go ahead at this point. We will pause for a minute. We will go ahead and mark this on our push rod. As you can see, that hole is rather large and it is hollowed underneath. We are going to go ahead and pause. We will mark the push rod. We will record as we pull back. Okay, we've marked this area on the push rod. We are going to go ahead and pull back. We will also mark the start of the liner where we need to cut.